such a piece of shit. We've got the 80 series in the shop now and it's time to show you legends exactly what's wrong with it. I'm going vlog mode, we're going selfie. I don't know where the camera crew's gone.
What the f are you doing, Sam? What the hell? I told you never to grab the camera again. What? All right, God damn it.
Oh, well that's much better actually, because I'll tell you what, my arm's getting sore. I mean, I've been working out my right forearm a fair bit, but anyway, now we can talk about exactly what's wrong with this car. We're going to get it up on the hoist and show you, but we have got a lot of things to fix. I'm driving 1,000 Ks in like a week's time and everything is completely fucked. So we do have to give it some attention. Last week, it went to AECO. We fixed a fuel leak, a diesel leak. They're the same thing, a diesel leak, an oil leak, and a couple of other bits and pieces. Actually, one of the seats wasn't even bolted in the car, to be quite honest with you, so. We had to fix that. And next week it's getting a new clutch in it because this one is completely, well, it's shit the bed. But I've got to tell you a quick joke, really. I've got to tell you a quick joke. What do you call a young girl with no arms? Sarah. Now knock knock. Who's there? Not Sarah. But you know what is knocking? The front suspensions. So that's why we're here at Fulcrum Suspensions. We're going to get this thing up on the hoist. We've got Daniel ready. We're going to chuck some new radius arm bushes in it because these ones are completely flogged. And I think I need to sit down, a cup of tea and a little breather because I'm knackered. Let's do it. There's three things this 80 series goes through quickly: diesel, bushes and wheel bearings. And today we're going to be doing something about the bushes. Now, I've been noticing a bit of a knock from the front suspension for a little while. There wasn't a lot of things it could be, so I did go through and do a bit of a spanner check and I got rid of most of it. But while I was having a look, I did notice that the front radius arms, the bushes themselves, that bolt to the diff, they were flogged. And we could tell that by putting a pry bar in there and checking for movement. You could actually see fragments of the bush starting to pull apart from the actual casting. So before I did the 1,000-kilometre drive to Brisbane, it was an absolute no-brainer. And as you can see, these ones, well, they've certainly seen better days. And as soon as bits and pieces start falling off them, it very quickly becomes a problem because they deteriorate so much quickly because they're moving around a lot more freely. So we're going to chuck some new Super Pro bushes in there with a lifetime warranty. Get back on the road. This car right here is used and abused and is slowly on the mend. Last week at AECO, it was fixing all of its leaks. This week at Arndale Park Fulcrum store, it was throwing new bushes in it. Those radius arms, that lower shock bush, hopefully all the knocks, bangs and clanks are fixed. And then next week at Blue Flame, we're gonna be putting a clutch in it, and then, and only then, I get to do the 1,000-kilometre drive up to Brisbane for the 4x4 show. So there's only one thing left for me to do: finish off this beer, bask in the success that we've had today, and well, we'll see you next time.